Flip the unit over. Remove 4 6mm screws and 2 8mm screws. Flip the unit back over. Open it up. And gently insert the opener pick. Slide along the edges to pop the Palmrest free. Gently lift halfway up. Peel back the tape and gently pull back to unplug the battery. Peel back the tape, flip open the locking clip, and unplug the touchpad cable. Peel back the tape, flip open the locking clip, and unplug the Palmrest cable. Gently insert the opener pick and slide along the edges to pop the bezel free. Gently pry the bezel up free from the adhesive. Take care not to apply too much force, as the bezel can easily bend or break. If necessary, fold the unit and insert the opener pick to pry the bottom of the bezel free. Remove 4 2mm screws. Lift the screen halfway up, peel back the tape, flip open the locking clip, and gently pull back to unplug the LCD cable. Plug the LCD cable into the screen and reapply the tape. Replace 4 2mm screws. Push down to snap the bezel back into place. Gently plug the Palmrest cable back into the motherboard. Plug the touchpad cable back into the motherboard. Plug the battery back into the motherboard. Lay the Palmrest down and push down to snap the Palmrest back into place. Close the unit, flip it over, and replace the 4 6mm screws and 2 8mm screws.